Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D's News Time. Yes, today we go talk about the issue concerning the Northerners. Not be today. These people they don't brag, they come. See, we when be the Nigerian people in general, say that them when be the Northerners, now them be our boss. See, because their papa them, the great grandpapa them, don't they rule us they come, and them go continue where their great grandpapa them stop. And ladies and gentlemen, some people they take this kind of thing offensive. The thing when they not as a I mean the Fulani people. It just be like when Donald Trump, the president of America, you know, see Funkidi, they respect that man well, too much. Because they respect the man because everything when the man talk, when be Donald Trump, all the whole promises when the man make, say, when he come into power, he go help American people do this, he go do that for them, he go do everything for them. Now so the man just the do and they go. Now so just the do and they go. Now only people when no they believe, when no one hear the truth or when no one see the truth, now them see they blackmail Donald Trump. Today Donald Trump, I can say, is the best American president. Is the only president when before Kide I still say in make promise, and the promise is when he make to him people in they claim him and everything they work for them well. You understand? You know the only man when I see say man, this president when be President Trump is the best president I've ever seen, because there is nothing like. We never seen any president making a promise and fulfill it. The man, the way when he talk, say he won't helping people, he won't do this, he won't put this in place, he won't do this. Now so the man, they do. So the reason why when I bring out this Donald Trump issue, because say when the man talk, say Nigeria na shithole, even Jubri when being posted from Sudan take offense, forgetting that it's not from Nigeria. APC government, they took an offense. But not true when the man they talk, because Nigeria is a shithole country. So I wonder why they go call you shithole country, you go the verse. Okay, and then they can say Nigeria na zoo. Nigerian people then begin verse say why Nandekano go say Nigeria na zoo. Okay, look at what they happen now. Whether Nigeria not be zoo. Look at what in DSS now. Buhari, Jubri's government they do to Omo Eleshowore. Take a look. And you tell me whether Nigeria not be zoo. In fact, Nigeria na the real animal kingdom. You understand? These DSS people and the Jubri government, once again, they're supposed to lock these people up together with chimpanzees so that they go there, they fight their fight. Because the way if you watch these people behavior, you see, not only all this chimpanzee and all this, not their behavior be that. So, when Donald Trump say Nigeria or Africa na shithole country, and they don't name Nigeria as a toilet country, no name when Nigeria never carry since when this Jubri they into power. All the whole bad names, this way they don't bring and come to Nigeria. Because these people, they lack too much experience that they don't know nothing. You they use your hand, they spoil your government. You they talk say na people they scatter your government. You they talk say the things one they do una when be DSS, a pass waiting terrorists, Boko Haram and herdsmen that they do. The thing when DSS and the Jubri government they do, a pass waiting this man when be Abacha, when everybody talks say Abacha and a bad person. In fact, the things when Abacha do, they learn to where Jubri's government they. So anybody when they come out want talk say Nigeria na better place to live or Nigeria na better place to stay, whether you there abroad, anywhere where you did, then go back to Nigeria and they there because he still get some people when they are abroad, when their head never still correct. They still they live like all those animals in the zoo in Nigeria. Because they don't want to accept the truth. Because for somebody to come out to the condemn, say, make them whole omo ili show wore, say, after all, because he get one guy, when do his, he get one guy, when do one write up last time, when they talk, say, in fact, they don't hold Ojus Okalo, why they don't go who show wore, Ojus Okalo and the show, Ojus Okalo and the Buhari did the same political party, and he good made a who show wore, made a not release them for waiting into, waiting show wore do you? Ojus Okalo carry 7.6 abi 7.9 billion. Money when belong to him people, Abia State people. Showore carry money. Showore thief government. He get where if you do any fraudulent activity. Okay, they claim say do this. Make them bring proof. Una not see bring. We know say that all these people are people when APC people they don't pay. Just like the way when they pay people, make them go do some protest against the murders when come from Ondo State when they support when come because of Omo Ile Sowore. Because all those people we know see them pay all of them. So you feel not feel come out to compare anybody from APC or anybody from PDP or anybody from any political party in that country with Sowore. You don't feel compare them. You don't feel compare nobody with Omo Ile Sowore. Because his life is clean, his hand is clean. So, what him make me bring out this matter now? Now, because of the things when they happen, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of things don't happen. We don't hear sin on the Kano Papa. May his soul rest in perfect peace. And my condolence again to Nnamdi Kanu once again. This is bad. All these things now because of Nigerian government. All these things are because of APC. Because if APC not pursue Nnamdi Kanu with a gun, killing 28 people in his own town, you know, raise down his family's home in his hometown in Afar Ukwabia State. All this in Mama go still day alive, intact today. In Papa, then go still day alive, intact today. Now, una remember say get one time when government say they won't go build the house for Nnamdi Kanu, they won't compensate amount. All those things, you see, this government now then they use their hand to destroy themselves. And they go destroy themselves completely. So all of them go come naked in the public and to begin to beg the Nigerian people. Let me tell you people, ladies and gentlemen, before France became France today, a lot of things don't happen. Before Italy become Italy today, they made their men on top go read their history, waiting happen to them. So before Nigeria go become, ladies and gentlemen, we have to take in fact, you know, the things what happen in Italy and in France and in other countries must to happen in that country. Otherwise, Nigeria is not going anywhere. Before Ghana become quiet, everybody know what J.J. Rawlings do to all those corrupt politicians. The thing when they happen to Sowore is another corrupt practice, ladies and gentlemen. Now then they commit treasonable felony or treasonable offense to against Sowore, against Nigerian people. I say, if J.J. Rawlings in Ghana there, when they get boundary with Nigeria, If J.J. Rawlings not do what he do to top officials when they say they corrupt, now the same way we supposed do to all these Nigerian politicians when they corrupt, starting from Obasanjo, Babangida, all these men, they supposed to get a very serious treatment. Reach Jubri, when they office today, reach these DSS people, they are all corrupt people. If those things won't happen in Ghana, the things won't happen in Ghana, not happen to these people. If we not follow that, their footstep, if we not follow this man when be J.J. Rawlings footstep in Ghana, Nigeria no go ever better. That one not to get good one Nigeria, or if one Nigeria still stand, if people still accept to become, to still stay as one Nigeria, all of us have to stand up together against this impunity and corrupt politicians when we get in Nigeria. Then plenty, then they everywhere now. We are not saying at 36 states we get 36 states in the country. Now we get. Then they all the whole 36 states. Their leaders. Now the Fulani Kabas. If we not do a Mama Daura, listen to Funky D well, anywhere where you sit down, Abakiare, well on a day, you they claim say you be chief of staff. Okorocha, well on a day. Ose Banjo, Bola Tinubu, Funky D say, if Amechi, Arofai, Ganduji, then plenty, Oshomole, all of una. If when we not treat una the way when J.J. Rawlings of Ghana treat Ghanaian people, then days they are corrupt politicians. Nigeria no go better. Nigeria no go become Nigeria. Everything every bad thing when they that country, now the APC people now our problem and PDP people. These people now them be the problem of the nation. APC and PDP. Anybody when they support APC or PDP or all those political parties when they don't form since 100 years, when they deceive Nigerian people, anybody when they inside, when they involve, now fraudulent person. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the matter be that Nigeria will never be good unless when we treat these people, when Nigerian people treat these people the way when J.J. Rawlings treating people. The way when they treat Mussolini of Italy, if they not get this kind of treatment, Jubri and his group, forget. Nothing will change that nation. The nation remain the way where it is. Whether you shout from here to America, now everything where you did, the whole noise where you go make, no go make any sense. Until we make a change. And that change have to be drastic change. Because all these things when DSS they do, and then they go free, Jubri don't come from Sudan. Before you know 2023 go, the man go wrong, go back to Sudan. Bola Tinubu, they carry bullion van, they think say, no, they tell Nigerian people saying they're above the law. Buhari and APC people, they tell Nigerian people say that they above the law. It's impossible, no, not they above the law. So something must have to be done to these people before Nigeria go. They get better standard. You understand? Not be the ones what they do to the Southeast people where we don't already see another scandal. I mean, not be scandal. This one another conspiracy. How they call this one? Against the Igbos. There's, according to the news now where we hear, it never too take when they start this year. We don't even know when they start this trial. The first time when I see the Audios Okalo news, some few weeks ago now, it never even reached 2 weeks. When they come out, they come talk, say APC people, then they rally around, that they talk, say they no go allow Audios Okalo go prison because Audios Okalo don't contribute to APC people. It can't be like say APC people now don't come be Nigeria. Orji Okalo sinned against Nigerian people, not against APC political party, because money when Orji Okalo carry, not before APC political party, not before PDP political gangsters. Money when Orji Okalo carry na Nigerian people money, not be APC money. So why then APC go to talk say they won't try before the first news, ladies and gentlemen, they won't try to help Orji Okalo. Make you know, say these people then be evil. They won't try to help Orji Okalo so that Orji Okalo no go jail. But at the end of the day, the Northerners won't be the cabas. They say make them begin show the Igbo people lesson. Because now Igbo people choose them against their own people. I mean the politicians, ladies and gentlemen. I mean somebody like Orji Okalo and Okorocha. And then plenty, Chris Ngige. Then they everywhere. Nangudo, all of them. The organization people, the youth and the senior. All of them, the same. All of them choose these evil Northerners than their own people. So now, they don't say yes. Since una choose us, say, una choose us to against una people, we must to deal with una. Because when we deal with una, nobody go stand up for una. Because una people, una don't dey against them already, and then they against una. So now we now, una side us, we go to deal with una. Because nobody, people when suppose support una, they not support una because una know they support them. Now, the Northerners now, they don't bounce back completely. Because their 4 years agenda, where they don't tell una say 4 plus 4 na 8. When all of them open their hand like witches and wizards. During the time of election, including Nasha Buhari. So all these people, this one are the next 4 years agenda when una go see. And una go see intimidation and oppression throughout the whole 2023. Somebody like Buba Galadima don't come out, can't tell una say, man, all the whole Nigerian people, we are in problem. The man there for Abuja there with Onana. All the whole thing when that to show you say the things when they do against the Southeast people, you know, total oppression. We know waiting this guy when be Buba Galadima don't they talk against Buhari when be the Jubri since even during the election time, the man don't come up plainly can't tell the world say that man not be Buhari when in Houston, when in with and grow up. He can't say me then ask Yenka. Now the Buhari we used to know be that Yenka say no, not be Buhari, this one na impostor. But Buba Galadima can't talk say he don't know whether not the Jubri from Sudan or whether not another person they there. Okay. Una they chase people say then the Buba Galadima they there with una as a Northerner. DSS, they don't know where Buba Galadima they live. Abi DSS, they don't know where Babache they live. DSS, they don't know where Aisha Buhari they. DSS, they don't know where this man they went be, what be this guy name again? All of them when be say them corrupt. All of them corrupt, ladies and gentlemen. All the whole northern governors, former and present governors, ministers and the senators, they are all corrupt. Why can't be say DSS in the court now? We don't even know when they go court of this Orji Okalo case. Before you know what did happen, boom, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, we see Orji Okalo 12 years imprisonment. Aisha Buhari with Ali Button scandal, you know they go 12 years. People when go bring Jubri from Sudan, they know they go 12 years, then they forbid them. Babache 260 million, I be billions when they carry. You know they go jail. Bola Tinubu, he did there. The petition when Deji send go give them since it's still there on top table there. They not touch them, they not near them, nothing. You know they go jail. Now only Igbo people. Well, anyway, I don't tell them before. The Southeast people, when we say that they support these APC dirty people, APC talks, APC killers, APC impostors. Una when they support them when they come from Southeast, anything we wanna see like Orji Okalo, una go manage them because now the thing we wanna ask for. And I don't tell una before. I don't tell Mr. Okorocha before say now you be the next. Watch out your back. Chris Ngige, all of them, when they saw now they support the APC killers. Then they come after una because they don't want to make una even yarn again. No, not even say a word again. So, ladies and gentlemen, anybody when they talk say Nigeria not be hell or shithole, then that person, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell the person. I say the person they sick. Anybody when it is say Nigeria they normal. Because if the way when Nigerian people, I mean Nigerian government, this APC killer squad, they take kill people in Nigeria, they take intimidate and oppress people. If not so, then they oppress people in oppress Nigerian people with army and police in Western world, for example. Let me say in Ghana, nobody go there Ghana now. Peace no go there. Nigerian people no go run go there. If no, because now problem I make Nigerian people they run come abroad. If to say na so, then they intimidate people with police and army in London. They keep people anyhow in London where Nigerian APC killer squad that they run go if they want to do their holiday, their year holidays after they don't loot our money. So if to say na so, then they do what they do in Nigeria. They will not go stick on that London. To confirm further, say Nigeria na shithole country. These people then go Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer's home, kill more than 21 people. They can't talk say na 4 people then kill. In fact, they don't even claim say they kill anybody. They can't claim say na 2 policemen then kill. Say they kill 2 policemen. Neither they talk. Then they chase the man away. The man, that gentleman, will not do nothing because he represented Nnamdi Kanu. This will show you say APC government, all of them be animals. Animals, ladies and gentlemen, I them be. So, because normal human being, you know if you carry your police or your army, whatever you call them, go a lawyer will not do anything. You go in house, kill 21 people, chase the man away, not only killing 21 people, not only chasing the man away, you carry fuel. Security agent, ladies and gentlemen, security agent when be them police and army carry fuel, put light, light up the house, the compound of the man, light up all the whole houses when they the street. I don't understand. I not just understand how you go judge. You say you be policeman. Policemen they are supposed to make peace. That's why they call them police. Peace. You say you be policeman. Now you they kill your people. You say you be policeman. You go somebody house waiting terrorists not they do. Now you know what they do. Terrorist people in that nation when be Nigeria when they fool everywhere. The whole thing, in fact, then they copy these terrorists where we get in Nigeria. Now the police and the army, the DSS and the SSS. Now them that they copy, they do bad things. What they do to Nigerian people. Now then they look up to the police and the army when we get that country. To act. Now the police and army, then they teach them what thing that they do. Because you can't tell me say your head correct, you be normal person. Somebody house, when not do even to say the man doing something is different. The man not do nothing. Nothing. You go this man house, you just go poof where, kill 21 people, even more than 21 people, according to the man. Even shoot the man, mama. According to the thing when the man talk. Can you imagine? Then you won't tell me say Donald Trump calling Africa or Nigeria a shithole country that is making a mistake. He's the man, Nasi B, na so Donald Trump talking. In fact, Nigeria is worse than a shithole country. The politicians that went there, now them be the, now in fact, now them be the shithole themselves. The politicians when we get. No ideas, nothing. They not inspire nobody. No ideas. That is why I say all this thing that they use they by force so that then go patch until 2023 before they go wrong coming. Because I know say all the whole wuru wuru where they do before, ladies and gentlemen, it they unfold now on top of their head. Then they patch on, they think they go scatter, then go they patch on, they think more to scatter one day. Before una finish, una won't be APC people. This 2023. Una no go reach. Now my prediction, me when be Funky D, be that. Una no see. If una continue the way one they do show water, they do Nnamdi Kanu, they do intimidate everybody. Look now, on top the whole thing, Nnamdi Kanu mama and then papa die put. May their soul rest in perfect peace. Now here, Funky D, go button up. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you never subscribe to my channel before, begin subscribe right now. If you know say you never share my videos, begin share and scatter. Reach all these people. Let them know say them be shithole people. I mean the APC, the DSS, the SSS, the police, the army, the president, the minister, the Jubri, the Abakari, Mama Daura, and all of them. Bola Tinubu them, Amechi them, all of them na the shithole when Donald Trump they refer to. And the thing when Donald Trump talk, na 100% true in that country. One love, everybody. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it, and make sure you see that button when they there. You press on so that anytime when I upload, you know, best sign they there, press on. You go first get my video. One love, and see you next time. One love. Bye.